welcome back to my channel where I break down the fundamentals of my hair care. Guys, it's a wash day and it's a wash day featuring TGIN Products. Alright guys, it's wash day. Ooh. Okay, I haven't washed my hair for 2 weeks, but surprisingly my scalp hasn't been that dry and it hasn't been that itchy as well, so I'm really thankful for that. I have had I've had some breakage throughout the first week. The second week, not so much because of this miracle product. I'm going to talk a little bit more about it, but I want to give it another try just to see if that really helped with my breakage. So if it did, I'll talk a little bit more. If it didn't, what else? But I'm trying out some new products today for wash day. You guys remember that I did a video talking about TGIN, the Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and I did state that I wanted to try the whole line. So I managed to pick up the shampoo, the conditioner, and the moisture hair milk. So I'm going to be using the full line of TGIN today for my wash day, and it's going to be a strictly moisture based wash day. My last wash day I did a protein treatment, a hard protein treatment. I'm not sure if that is the reason why my hair has been, breaking a little bit. Maybe there's too much protein in my hair, I don't know. But anyways, I've detangled my hair and I'm just, pulling through to just get rid of any extra shedded or broken strands of hair. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, but let me just tell you, I'm also gonna be doing a clarifying wash utilizing my TGIN shampoo. This is what I normally use to clarify my hair, guys. So I'm gonna do one wash of this and then do the other wash with my TGIN shampoo, right? So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I actually ended up washing my hair 2 times with the TGIN, and my hair felt completely stripped. It felt bone dry. It felt squeaky clean. But having gone in with this moisture-rich, sulfate-free shampoo, OMG, my hair was refreshed. My hair was revived with moisture. Now the moisture-rich, sulfate-free shampoo from TGIN has in almond oil and coconut oil, and it claims to be a gentle moisturizing shampoo for all hair types. I was so impressed. Really, really good results. I followed up after that with the TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. This contains shea butter and it also contains argan oil. Now, the major claim to this is that it's an intense moisturizing conditioner, again, for all hair types. A lot of the times when we see TGIN, thank God it's natural, we automatically assume that it's only good for natural hair. But I have come to really love these TGIN products, and my experience from just utilizing the shampoo and this conditioner have been amazing. As you can see, I placed quite a bit on my ends, guys, and the product soaked really nicely into my hair, and I would say I was so satisfied that I questioned whether or not I really needed to deep condition, because this conditioner really gave my hair the nourishment and the softness that it really, really needed. Having, not washed my hair for about 2 weeks. The infusion of moisture from a shampoo, let me just state that the infusion of moisture from a shampoo followed up with what I got from the conditioner were sufficient for my hair at that point. But because we're on a healthy hair journey, I of course followed up with my TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. So this is me just allowing my hair to sit with the conditioner for about 5 minutes while I finished showering. Now I'm feeling my hair and it felt really good. I'm smiling because I was happy with the results. My hair detangled very well while I was in the shower, so that made me feel really good, of course. I then followed up with my Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Now, if you are new to my channel, you may not know that this is one of my favorite deep conditioners. But for some reason, this time around, it was questionable. My experience was quite questionable. I did add some oils to this mix and I think that may have been the culprit as to why my hair felt the way that it did afterwards. I was not happy. I was not impressed. I wondered, where did I go wrong? But the process of elimination led me to thinking, or led me to the conclusion that it was possibly the oil mix that I had. I don't know if you can see the sort of, quizzical look on my face, because I was wondering, why the heck does my hair feel this way? It didn't feel soft, it just felt weird. And that weird feeling continued. But we won't let that stop what we're doing, our wash day process. I continued to t-shirt dry my hair, after which I then went in with my leave-in conditioner and I applied some heat protectant, and then I blow dried my hair. But I'll speak a little bit more about my experience with the hair mask in another clip. Well, in the clip just to follow. I finished rinsing out the deep conditioner from my hair, and my hair felt tangled. And I'm trying to figure out why. Why does my hair feel tangled? I have used my TGIN deep conditioner time and time again, but for some reason after this wash day, I felt a little bit of a struggle to detangle my hair that was already detangled prior to me applying the deep conditioner. So needless to say that really freaked me out. But anyways, I went in with my detangling / leave-in spray to sort of help out the process, and that did to an extent help out. I applied some heat protectant to my hair, and then I blow dried my hair, and this is the result. Now in terms of breakage and shedding, I did shed a little bit more than what I'm accustomed to. I suppose that was expected because I hadn't washed my hair for 2 weeks, and I did lose some hair while I was blow drying this section of my hair, the back. So I've been trying to comb through to find out where is the culprit, where is that area, but obviously that's the area of my hair that is under processed, and so I did lose a considerable amount of hair while blow drying, and I feel gutted. I definitely feel gutted because I tried to correct that section of my hair last relaxer day, and that just did not work out. So I am losing hair back here, and that is frustrating me. So I just wanted to show you guys where I'm experiencing that breakage, and you can see around this area here. And this is where I really had my underprocessed area. So it's really taking a toll on the health of my hair and at the back of my hair as well. And at the back of my hair in particular. So yeah, hair setbacks, hair insecurities, hair issues, whatever you want to call it, they're there, and it's obvious, at least to me, and I'm feeling it and I'm seeing it. So we have to do something about it to correct it. Otherwise, guys, this part of my hair is going to just go. It's going to go. So I can feel all of the underprocessed area around here, and then it thins out as it comes down. Now when it comes to hair care and looking at pictures online, I always say that looks can be deceiving, because my hair looks good right here and it has a lot of movement from the products that I use. Yes, but we have to isolate our hair to find where those problem areas are. But yes, I'm just gonna put some flexi rods in my hair. I just used the moisturizer, guys, and it's okay, it's all right. It left my hair feeling soft as well, but I guess the results would show how my hair actually came out at the end. So give me a few hours and let these flexi rods set, and I'll come back and show you the final results. Alright guys, so these are the final results. I was quite happy, quite impressed with how my hair looked and how it felt. The moisturizer came through, added just the right amount of moisture to my hair. I wouldn't use this if I was air drying. However, I would definitely use it while my hair is in a straightened state. I wrapped my hair because I didn't want too much curls, and it just gave me just enough of a bend and just enough volume. Now if you're living in Montserrat and you want to try out these TGIN products minus the hair mask, you can check out Beauty Plus Hair Salon. They have a 10% discount on all these products that I'm showing you here. Tell them Dina sent you and claim your discount, girl. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Of course, if you haven't yet already, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend to stop over on my channel where I try to upload videos almost every single Sunday. So until next week Sunday guys, take care. Bye.